Thanks for logging on to NeoWeather.com on this Tuesday, April 9th, 2013. I'm Jim Sullivan with your video forecast. After a thundery evening across portions of northern Ohio last night, we're starting off partly cloudy to even mostly sunny. The cold front that brought the thunder last night is sitting down around I-70 right now in central Ohio. That's going to move north as a warm front later today, bringing more warmth but more rain chances with it as well. Taking your 3D Max all the way out now, you can see we have a lot of precipitation across the heartland, and that is moving east, and some of those storms across Iowa and Illinois may graze us later this afternoon, and there's actually some snow on the cold side of the system. It's very cold across the Rockies and the northern plains right now. Fortunately, that isn't heading our way, and the whole southeast is warm and fairly moist for this time of year, and we're going to tap some of that air later this afternoon. Coming back to Cleveland now, looking at your numbers. Yesterday we did 71 and 39. That was several degrees above normal. Just a little bit of rain at Hopkins yesterday with a passing storm. So we're still running below normal on the month and year, but we're going to chip into that over the next couple days. And the sun is now rising before 7 and setting after 8. And with that front that went through last night as a cold front coming back as a warm front today, temperatures are going to, again, soar well into the 70s, well above normal, except for right along the immediate lakeshore. And with that warm, moist air mass south of the front this afternoon, a fast flow aloft, and a weak low pressure moving in from the west, there could be some feistier thunderstorms this afternoon, especially closer to Lake Erie, near the warm front, so we'll watch for potentially some large hail and damaging winds from a storm or two this afternoon. We'll let you know on our Facebook page and Twitter if any warnings are posted. And here's how that plays out today. Scattered afternoon thunderstorms. A few of them could be locally strong, especially in our northern counties. I'm going with the high of 74 at Hopkins, although it will take most of the afternoon to get there. Showers and storms continue tonight. On our futurecast now, you can see this afternoon, showers and storms rolling through. A few of them could be locally strong, especially in our northern counties. Tonight, showers and storms continue, especially in the north, as that front remains in the region and we remain active. Looking at tomorrow, that front is still sitting in our northern counties, which means cooler along the immediate lakeshore and much warmer inland. That could generate more showers and storms tomorrow, and a few showers and storms tomorrow could also be severe, especially just inland from Lake Erie. Thursday, it'll be another rainy day with temperatures cool in our lakeshore counties and warmer farther southeast, with that front bisecting northern Ohio. Temperatures could hit 70 as far north as Canton. However, Cleveland, you're going to be stuck in the 50s with a lot of rain. Friday, this whole mess does finally pull off to our east and we cool off. But in the meantime, with all this rain over the next few days, it could add up to 2 to 3 inches across northern portions of our viewing area, especially this map from the Weather Prediction Center from NOAA showing 2 to 3 inches of rain, especially closer to Lake Erie. So we'll watch for local flooding over the next few days. On the big picture now, you can see as we head towards the end of the week, this whole mess slides eastward and we cool off for the weekend. Temperatures could actually be below normal for a couple days, Friday and Saturday. However, that is short-lived. Another trough dives into the west. We get back into the southwest flow, and by Sunday and especially Monday of next week, the temperatures bounce right back up to normal, if not above normal. So a brief cool down after this warm week, but it won't last too long. And you can see that all play out on your 7-day now. Wednesday, scattered storms around, middle to upper 60s for Cleveland, warmer south. Thursday, rain and thunderstorms around. A lot of us are going to see a good period of rain Wednesday night, Thursday, and into Thursday night. Thursday, 50s Cleveland, still warmer south. Friday, we're just down to some showers, but highs only in the upper 40s. Could be a little rain snow mix Friday night into Saturday. Shouldn't accumulate at all. Saturday, we do dry out. Sunday, we warm back up. And Monday, we're back above normal. Again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for logging on. Check us out again tomorrow.